Hi Explorers! Welcome back to Elementary Explorers. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to learn how to tell time using an analog clock. Ready? Let's go! Do you know what a clock does? That's right! It tells us what time it is. Some clocks look like this, and others look like this. Today, we'll learn how to read an analog clock. An analog clock has two important hands. The short hand is called the hour hand, and it tells us the hour. The long hand is called the minute hand, and it tells us the minutes. And see these numbers from 1 to 12? They show us the hours of the day. When the short hand points directly to a number, that's the hour. For example, if the short hand is pointing to 3, we say it's 3 o'clock. Let's try another one. What time is it now? Yes, it's 7 o'clock. The long hand tells us the minutes. When the long hand points to 12, it's exactly o'clock, which means 0 minutes have passed. But when the long hand points to 3, it means 15 minutes have passed. And when it points to 6, it means 30 minutes, or we say half past the hour. Before we finish, here's the answer to our last challenge. The number 11 is odd, because it can't be divided into two equal groups. Did you get it right? Now, here's a new challenge for you. What time is it when the short hand is at 10 and the long hand is at 6? Think about it, and we'll reveal the answer in our next video. Awesome work, explorers! Today, we learned how to tell time by reading the hour and minute hands. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a time-telling pro. See you next time for another fun adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure with Elementary Explorers.